Welcome to Brighton's world. Yay!
Be careful. This is a big step, Bee. Oh my goodness. Choo-choo! Look, they're at Knapford Station now. Gumball car. Diesel. Better unlock it. Tickets? Oh my gosh. Hi, can I have a ticket please?
Yeah, this one.
Knapford Station. Oh my goodness. Can I give you a ticket to get on the train? Oh, here we go. We have to put it in the tickets. Beep, beep.
No, you put it in the top.
Oh, in the top. We have to put our tickets in. Here we go. Where are we headed? Knapford Station?
Yeah, the coal machine.
A coal machine.
Okay, from up here.
It takes the coal and puts it up there.
And it puts it up here. See?
Oh, wow. I think it puts the coal in the train, and then the train forward. Go ahead, put the shirt on.
I need shirt.
You need some help? Here. Oh, who are you, Brighton? Are you the conductor?
Look, we can't open it.
Turn around and let me see. Brighton. Are you Brighton, conductor Brighton? Yeah. What time is Henry gonna arrive today? Push the button to see what time Henry's coming.
Henry has encountered confusion and delay. He will be 15 minutes late.
What's 15 minutes?
He's gonna be 15 minutes late? Henry?
Henry has a special schedule and will be 15 minutes early.
Whoa. What's going on, Bee? Brighton. Did you fix Percy?